So this harness is gonna make all 4 lights back here running lights, and the blinkers, the brake lights, and everything will still operate the same, but the blinkers will now become running lights and brake lights too, just to give you more light in the back without having to add extra LED lights or anything like that. We'll get right into it. So as you can see, I already took the seat off, and it's a real simple install. It takes a few seconds. Watch this. So you're gonna locate your wiring harness, go into your back lights completely. Get that unsnapped. Moment of truth. As you can see now, I gave my bike running lights in the back. I added 2 more brake lights, 2 more running lights. In the description, I'll drop the link, and you can get some too, and add light into your bike without having to splice any wires or just any extra stuff. It's a simple plug and play under your seat to the wiring harness for the back lights on the back of your motorcycle. That's all for today. So if you align with your passion, following your dreams, you're loaded too. And this is Larry Loaded. I'm checking out.